Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Isn't it time you had an essential oil diffuser that's as cool as you are? This is a disco ball oil diffuser from AETHERIXIS. So this is a mirror ball diffuser with a large capacity. So not only does it look fabulous, it works really well too. It's very quiet. It has a 280 milliliter capacity, so it's going to fill even a large room. 14 different light choices in an auto off, so when the water runs out, the diffuser shuts off. Now this is gorgeous day or night because it has its own light source from within, but if you shine a light on it or leave it in the sunlight, it's going to reflect and have that beautiful, reflective, magical look that you get from a mirror ball. So whether you decide to put this in the sunlight and let it work its magic, or shine a light on it at night, or just have it rotating with its own light source from inside, it's going to look beautiful no matter where you put it. And it's remarkably quiet as well. And this mirror ball diffuser has such a large capacity that it really fills my whole office with essential oil and that moisturizing, humidified air. I've been so happy with how fabulous this mirror ball diffuser is and how well it works. So whether you want to shine light on it and make it sparkle or just let it rotate with its own light source, it's really beautiful day or night, and it's totally going to rock. So don't just diffuse oils with flair by using this mirror ball. And that is my point of view.